Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial on Bleass Groovebox. In this video I'd like to show you how you can use a chords track. So let's click to play to start the play of this particular loop on the chords track, and then let's click and hold and let's select edit. Okay, so as you can see it is called a chords track because you can establish chord to be played. So you have, as always, different steps on the screen here. As well, you have here on the top the selection of copy and paste and delete the bar as you need. So use your controls here to set the name for the particular loop or region. Then you can play solo, set it to loop, and also decide to play through the pads. Very similar to the drum track, with some, of course, differences that we are going to go through. Here on the bottom right, you have, as always, the selection to add another bar, like so, or to remove it as well. You have the selection of how many steps you can have on the grid, 16 or 12, and then you can also set the speed, for example, to play a double speed. As if you click and hold and move to the left, then here you have the selection for each particular step. And let's try some of those. So the first step is selected here, and the moment you say it's a C chord, you can change with plus and minus, like so, chromatically. So you can go to a D sharp, E, etc. So let's leave these at the moment to a C. You can select the mode here. In this case it is a major or a minor or major 7 and so on. So let's leave that as a minor, and then you can also select here octave. For example, if you want to play an octave above or below, you can change the instrument here, okay, and you can also change the length, so like so, and you can see the length of the particular step in terms of duration has changed, as double in this case. So you activate the step clicking on the dot here, okay. And let's also decrease a little. Let's go to the mixer here and let's ensure that the volume is a bit lower. Okay, and now let's go back to the click on the mix again to exit, click and edit, go back to the track setting, and in so doing you can create the pattern as you prefer. So let's say insert another C minor chord here, like so, and let's create another pattern, something like that. We change the length here, okay. Let's play. As always, as we have seen in the drum track, you can record these in different way. You can go to the pad, for example, like so, and you can use your fingers to play a part. And therefore you can click on the red button to record, okay, and therefore you can record the pattern as you like. And here you have a selection to again choose your instrument and choose if you want to change a particular pattern, you can change a particular pad. You can change the setting of that pad here, and you can change the scale here. You can set a different scale, for example C minor, pressing OK, and it will change the pads accordingly. And you can edit the synth, which I go through in a different tutorial. Again, you can click back and you go back to the previous screen, and it's really a great feature because you can easily create patterns that you can add to your song. Now for example, let's use what we learned in the previous video and add a drum loop. So let's click back and let's go to the drum machine here. Let's click play. So the loop is playing. Let's click and hold. Let's go to edit and let's create a pattern, drum pattern. Okay, let's go back and let's click play. Let's increase the tempo. So as you can see, very straightforward to create a loop and use the chords track. As I showed you a moment ago, you can remember you can set also your volumes for each track, clicking on the mixer here, MXR, so you click on it and you have the different levels. Okay, that so if you move to the right, the level will increase. If you move to the left, it will go towards zeros where you actually don't hear anymore the track like so. And if you want to exit here, you just click again on the mixer. So I hope you found this useful, and see you at the next video. Bye.